जी ready है okay okay guys keep quiet, be silent in the class, don't make a noise. Okay, what had been given as us in previous class? I have given you many basic structures that you had to complete. Have you completed? Have you completed that all? Huh? Cheater, lying boy. Okay, so don't make a noise and look at the board. I have taught you this rule. This rule. Only these three rules? Four. Yeah, in the habit of. Before plus object. You all have studied about these four structures. Okay? Today we will study the use of in the mood of. Okay? In the mood of. Okay. New rule. Subject plus is are am plus in the mood of plus v4 plus object other word. Example, मन है. What will you make? You are in the mood of drinking wine. Okay? Drinking wine today. ठीक है. Okay, so guys, today we will practice on this rule. Okay, and are you able to make negative and interrogative sentence? Okay, okay, now today we will okay, today we will do conversation class, and in this class I will select one anchor. Okay, okay, so you all decide that who will be an anchor, who wanna be an anchor as us. Only you have to use this rule. Okay, Only with the help of this rule, you all have to ask. Okay? Who will be an anchor? Kundan sir, would you like to be an anchor? Come. Only you have to call one by one. Only you have to call one by one. You are not understanding. You will come here. First of all, you have to introduce yourself. You have to say something about yourself, and you have to call one by one. Okay? Are you not? Listen. आपको सिर्फ यहाँ आना है. पहले आपको अपने बारे में कुछ बताना है, और फिर आपको क्या करना है, एक एक करके सबको बुलाना है. वो यहाँ आएंगे और बाकी सब लोग इस पे आधारित क्वेश्चन करेंगे. ठीक है? जैसे कि मैं आज एंकर बन जाता हूँ. ओके? ओके. I think I don't need to introduce myself. Okay. So guys, actually whenever I say something about myself, suppose I have been selected as an anchor, so I am very happy today. And now first of all I want to call Azaz. Mr. Azaz, you come here. Okay, come. You all have to ask one by one. You all have to ask one question, okay? With the help of this rule. Okay? Okay. Aman, you can ask. Don't speak in Hindi. Ask in English. Golu, you ask. First of all, you ask. You have to use this rule, okay? And you have to make interrogative sentence. Suppose, Azaz, are you in the mood of speaking English?
Yeah, I'm in the mood of speaking English.
Yeah, such type of you have to ask, okay? Okay, ask. One question.
Are you in the mood of playing the cricket?
Very good.
I'm in the mood of playing a cricket.
Shivam.
No, I'm not in the mood of playing cricket.
You are in the mood of.
Not you are you?
Are you in the mood of running today?
Yeah, I'm in the mood of running today.
And you have to you can also use extra words that I have told you.
Of course.
No doubt.
No doubt, of course, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay? You can use. Okay, Prabhat, ask.
Are you in the mood of bio?
Are you in the mood of studying bio?
Study bio?
Of course, I'm in the mood of studying bio. Yeah, I'm in the mood of studying bio.
Obviously, I am in the mood of studying bio.
Studying bio.
Okay, Aman, you ask.
You are in the mood.
Not you are you?
Are you are.
Are you
Are you in the mood of marketing?
going to market?
To market?
Yeah, I'm in the mood of going to market. Yeah, of course, I'm in the mood of going to market.
Oh, sorry, I'm not in the mood of going to market. Okay, Kundan, sorry, you can also.
Are you in the mood of dancing?
No, I'm not in the mood of dancing.
Okay, very good. Okay, you can clap. Slowly. Okay. Now, Shivam, now I would like to call Shivam. You come and first of all introduce yourself. Okay? Say something about yourself, then they will ask. Okay? Okay.
Hello friend. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shivam Kumar.
Okay. Ajaz, ask.
Yeah, are you in the mood of drinking wine today?
Of course, I am. Of course, I am in the mood of drinking wine.
Really? Are you, you are in the mood of drinking wine?
Sorry, I am in the mood of.
Sorry, I am not in the mood of.
Sorry, I am in the not mood of drinking wine.
Okay, if you use sorry, then not will come. Okay? Okay. Golu, you ask.
Are you are you in the mood of playing the cricket?
Of course, I am. Yeah, of course, I am in the mood of playing cricket, playing football. Sorry, I am in the mood of.
Not.
Sorry, I am not.
Ah,
Sorry, I am not mood of playing cricket.
sorry, I am not in the mood of playing cricket. Kundan sir.
As you are you in the mood of meeting a girlfriend?
Aha. Are you in the mood of meeting to your girlfriend?
Sorry, sorry, I am not. I am in the mood of not
Sorry, I am not in the mood of meeting to my girlfriend.
to my girlfriend.
आखिरी में चांस मारिए लेता है ये जज कुंदन सर.
What is your name? My name is Shivam Kumar.
Shivam, are you in the mood of fighting?
Yes, I am in the mood of fighting.
प्रभात.
Are you in the mood of running?
Of course, I am in the mood of running.
अमन.
Are you in the mood of cricket?
Are you in the mood of playing cricket?
Yeah, I am in the mood of playing cricket.
Are you in the ride of bicycle?
Are you in the mood of riding a bicycle?
Riding of bicycle?
Yeah,
In the mood of
I am in the mood of
riding.
riding bicycle.
Okay.
Mood, Shivam. Are you in the mood of cracking UPSC?
Of course, I am in the mood of cracking UPSC.
Okay, you may sit. Okay. Golu, now you will come. Come. Don't sigh. Improve yourself, improve your personality. And Shivam, you don't stay near me. Okay? Because you are so taller than me. Okay.
My name is Golu.
My name is Golu, and what's your goal?
My goal is UPSC.
Wow, your ambition is to crack UPSC. Okay, Kundan sir, you ask. Okay, Ajaz, you can ask.
Are you in the mood of going to market?
Of course, I am. Yes, I am going. I am going.
I am in the mood.
I am. I am mood.
I am in the mood.
I am in the mood of going to
Cinema.
Cinema.
How can you say that you are going? You are in the mood of going to?
Yeah.
cinema?
What?
How can you say that you are in the mood of going to play cricket?
How can you say that you are in the mood of playing cricket?
Yes.
Next question.
Are you in the mood of going to school? Yes. I am in the mood of going to a school.
Prabhat.
Are you in the mood of going to market?
Yes. I am in the mood of going to market.
Aman. Huh?
Are you in the mood of watching CID? Of course, I am in the mood of watching CID.
Because it's your favorite series.
Yes, yeah. Are you in the mood of drinking wine? Don't speak mood. That is called mood. Okay. Again.
Are you,
Ask.
are you
Again
in the
ask.
mood of telling, tell me.
Again ask.
What do you want to ask? What are you speaking? Speak loudly, yaar.
You got this?
Huh?
Are you in the mood of tell,
Telling.
telling?
What? What telling? Are you in the mood of telling something? What? What? What do you want to ask? Ask clearly, yaar.
क्या पूछ रहा हूँ?
Are you in the mood of taking a walk?
Yes, I am in the mood of taking walking.
Okay, you miss it. Very good. Oh, Prabhat, come. Kunda sir, would you like to come here? No. Okay, Prabhat, you come.
My name is Prabhat Kumar.
In which class do you study?
Yes.
I study in class 11. Okay.
Are you in the mood of watching IAS?
Yes, I am.
Yes. Ice movie. What?
12 film movie.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I am mood of 12 film movie.
Yes, I am in the mood of watching 12.
I'm watching 12
film
full
movie.
movie.
Come on, ask. Try to ask.
सर मतलब उसका
When you will not speak, then you
मतलब mood इसका अथी नहीं याद आता.
Prabhat, are you in the mood of learning English?
Yes, I am in the mood of. क्या बोला एक बार फिर से क्वेश्चन?
Are you in the mood of learning English?
Yes, I am in the mood of learn English.
Prabhat, are you in the mood of discussion with me on the special topic?
Yes,
yes.
yes, I am in the mood of
talking
Topic.
with you on the issue of a special topic.
a special topic.
Prabhat, are you in the mood of marriage?
No, I am not. I am not in the mood of marriage.
No, sorry, I'm not in the mood of getting married.
Prabhat, are you in the mood of dating her?
Are you in the mood of dating girl?
No, I am.
Her.
No, I am not in the mood of waiting.
Sorry, I am not in the mood of dating her. Okay, you miss it. Now, Aman, you come. Come here. Come here. Now, you say something about yourself.
My name is Aman Kumar. I in class 11.
I study in
I study in
class
class
11.
11. Yes.
Oh, what is your name?
My name is Aman Kumar.
Ask.
Are you in the mood of driving bike?
Sorry, I am not
Sorry, I am not in the mood of driving a bike.
driving bike.
Are you in the mood of drive of truck?
Driving a truck.
Sorry, I am not in the mood of
Driving
driving
truck.
truck.
Are you in the mood of going to Bangkok with girlfriend?
Sorry, I am not in the mood of banking.
Sorry, I am
I
not
am
in
not-
the mood of going to Bangkok with my girlfriends. Anyone who wanna ask?
Are you in the mood of drinking milk?
Yes, I am. I am in the mood of drinking milk.
Okay, now you may go. Okay, guys. Now I write something on the board. Okay.